wasn't until I started working for Meridian that I've had the opportunity to go to Whenua Hou and help them out with the island's power systems, and also get involved with some of the work with the kakapo as well, so it was really cool.
We get a lot of interest from the guys, and it's a unique type of person that wants to go and be part of this really cool project and support Department of Conservation in their kakapo recovery program.
Conservation to me means looking after our wildlife and our forests and our rivers and the sea to the best of our ability. It's an island, it's off the west coast of Stewart Island, and it's in the middle of nowhere, which I quite enjoy.
My experience on that island was fantastic. It's not an opportunity I ever in my wildest dreams thought I was going to be able to partake in. It's an extreme place to go, but it's a wonderful place to go.
And there's a lot of number 8 wire stuff where they will just have to make do with the equipment that they're taking down. So that really shows the experience that they do have and being able to think outside the box.
Working on Whenua Hou has a lot of unique challenges, probably the biggest of which is the logistics of getting things on and off the island it's a long way to the shop. The power system on that island is quite complex and hard for the rangers to understand. I'm going to make it safer so that rangers can use it safely and easily for years to come.
There's a Pelton turbine on the island that helps to charge the battery banks as well as some solar power. And so my contribution was first identifying the issues with that system and from a mechanical point of view, coming up with a plan to deal with those issues and then getting to actually fix it. It's an opportunity for a big company to get involved and help all of New Zealanders by helping to look after the kakapo. It's something that if we lose, we'll never get back. So it's great that Meridian are helping to support that.